Backyard chickens are more popular than ever. However, for a novice just getting into the hobby, it can be a little intimidating to round everything up that you need and set it up. Well, this weekend's new Tulu 2 will stop you from scrambling to find the best supplies. OverEZ is a one-stop shop for you and your flock, so keeping chickens stays a hobby, not a chore. OverEZ offers the high-quality coop your backyard pet chickies deserve, and a high-quality coop you can afford. You can buy bundles, accessories, feeders, chicken runs, but their product we're telling you about today is the Chicken Coop in a Box, which reminds me of a Saturday Night Live skit I can't repeat on air. The Chick Coop in a Box comes complete with everything you need to get started, except the chickens. Made by hand in the U.S. by Amish craftsmen in Pennsylvania and Amish-trained craftsmen in Georgia, this specific kit includes a coop with roosts, nesting boxes, and flooring that can comfortably hold up to 5 chickens, as well as an attached chicken run, and it only takes about an hour to put it all together. Now, it's a bit of an investment, so serious buyers only. It runs about $1,200. You can get larger coops, of course. It all depends on what you're looking for. But this is a great starter kit, easy to put together and maintain. And hey, think of all the fresh eggs you're gonna get. It really is everything it's cracked up to be. For more information, check out the YouTube HouseSmarts channel and clickety-click, or shall I say cluckety-cluck, the subscribe button while you're there.